I have been up since about 4:30. Good morning, y'all. I have been up since about 4:30. It's about like 6:20 or something right now. But I'm about to get up and make me a little breakfast, prepping stuff for Thanksgiving. So yes, I'm up today. I may not vlog a lot of it though. Hold on. Okay, you ready? That's my baby girl. I'm also putting up my video today. I was shopping, but I didn't get to do my shopping haul, so I'm gonna edit that other shopping haul later. I'm going to be working hard on editing all day. So I may not be doing a whole lot during this end. Like, you guys are gonna see me probably cooking and stuff. Like, you're probably gonna see me try to do a little bit of cooking and prepping for Thanksgiving. But other than that, I'm gonna be editing my heart out. Okay, first of all, yes, my messy table. Okay, my baby girl just cut up potatoes. We about to cut up cheese. And I got me a mimosa. But now I'm about to make some breakfast. I make the kids some breakfast when they get up. Let me show y'all what I did and why I'm so mad. I bought salmon for $17. When I could have just went to Sprouts and got them for like, what, 30? They were like $32 at Sprouts. So that's the first one. They were $5.99 a piece. But why am I paying $17.98 per one when y'all show they was $5.99? I tell you, that pissed me off. But I want to make my salmon. I want to redeem myself to make this from the other day. Oh, don't get tired, girl. We about to eat.
You're my protection piece, way she walks. Fell in love the way she talks. Peaceful protester, tell me your message. Overrun song, I just wanna keep dancing. Oh, surely wow. Black Buddha, black Buddha, black Buddha. Oh, surely wow. Black Buddha, black Buddha, black Buddha. Oh, surely wow. Surely wow. You're my protection piece, way she walks. Fell in love the way she talks. Peaceful protester, tell me your message. Overrun song, I just wanna keep dancing. Oh, surely wow. Black Buddha, black Buddha, black Buddha. Oh, surely wow. Black Buddha, black Buddha, black Buddha. Oh, surely wow. Surely wow. You're my protection piece, way she walks. Fell in love the way she talks.
Alright, y'all, throwing out the rest. We waited. You're supposed to thaw this out way earlier, but we were one day off. So, hopefully by later this evening, because we're going to start at probably like 2 something, 3 something in the morning, or a little later. So we're hoping that it will be thawed out. It's sitting in cold water. I should have got my turkey one day before I actually got it. So yeah, that's what's going on now. Can you believe this big old turkey was $13? I can't believe it. crazy. I'm happy that I get to start cooking because I want to taste this food. Okay. I'm going to do my nails for Thanksgiving. I ain't letting that slide. But I'm going to prep them good. They going to stay on, but they really, really short. We're going to do a lot of prepping today. I'm cutting up all the veggies. I will not be caught doing none of that. Matter of fact, I should have actually prepped my celery and my bell pepper right now. Should I? I guess I could do it later. Y'all, let me do my thumbnail because I'm supposed to be hurrying up with my back-to-back videos. So let me go edit. I feel like I'm not going to do that much vlogging today. I feel like my vlogging has been so choppy, y'all. It has been very choppy. I've been doing like hauls or maybe a little bit of shopping, a lot of food shopping. Yeah, I haven't been vlogging a whole lot.
It's time. You're making Biscoff.
Hey, y'all, baby girl done got her, what's this? The new bloom. She been looking for this for literally since September, and she could never find it. And here it is, the bloom. What is this called? The crisp apple. So we about to try it and see how it really tastes. My baby girl's still whipping up this over here, but let's try it. All right, y'all. Fresh and clean and up and ready to cook. Got my band on, so I can just kind of have my hair up my face. So yeah, so I'm ready to start getting down in the kitchen. It's actually 8:35. I'm starting late. What I'm about to do right now is I'm going to cut up all of some other like celery and stuff. I forgot to cut the celery and the bell peppers up, but this is going to be super quick. But first, we're going to work on that banana pudding so that some of the sweets are done. And then after this, I'm going to cut up the vegetables, get my deviled eggs going right before I know the kids going to come downstairs so they can munch on those, and then start on my ham and my sauce for the ham. And then I work on my greens, so my greens will start cooking in the afternoon, so they'll be very fresh. That way I'll have everything kind of going at the same time. And y'all, the bird, I'll give y'all a peek at the bird. The bird is already done, but we're gonna let it warm up a little bit more later.
He know how to push my buttons, I be throwing the fit. I be missing when he gone, hate when he all in the mix. He don't believe all the lies, cause all of them counterfeit. And he put a dose of his love on me and I can't resist. I can admit that life is crazy, life is a trip. But life gets better when I'm with you, guess it is what it is. It's a crazy world, baby, let me make it make sense. And if I don't pick up the phone, I'm busy getting the chips. Busy making the bread, busy staying ahead. And I can't get you out my head, it's low-key got me upset. Low-key got me in my feelings that you're not in my bed. That you're probably somewhere thinking all the things in my head. Let's go take a ride, let's ride to the beach. Let's go making love, let's go and run the sand through our feet. It's a crazy world, baby, let's escape. If I open up, baby, will I be okay? Let's go take a ride, let's ride to the beach. Let's go making love, let's go and run the sand through our feet. It's a crazy world, baby, let's escape. If I open up, baby, will I be okay? And we made it this far, cop that 4-car garage. We deserve to be treated, together undefeated. It's just me and you, never knew time would introduce a new chapter. Now we traveling to the ocean blue. Ain't no need for debates, look me dead in my face. Got me crazy about you, got me all in the mood. Let's go hit up the mall, let's go spend just a bar. And if they counted us out, they gon' be wishing they called. Let's go take a ride, let's ride to the beach. Let's go.
I just had to let y'all know that shortly after this, I had to go buy more pudding. I ran out of pudding for my banana pudding. Can you believe it?
If I open up, baby, will I be okay? Let's go take a ride, let's
Angel eggs, y'all.
Let's go making love, let's go and run the sand through our feet. It's a crazy world, baby, let's escape. If I open up, baby, will I be okay?
I think we gotta tell the truth. You and me don't need this attitude. I can tell you're ready for love. I don't really know what that means at all. Still trying to learn what it is to love. Still trying to figure out what happened to us. Things changed when you went back home without me. I heard all about you from those other guys. They tell lies. I don't wanna know if you have been with these other guys.
Okay, yeah, I'm still in the kitchen, of course. Always in the kitchen for a long time on Thanksgiving. But look, catfish. I seasoned it with onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and salt, and a little bit of Old Bay. I've been seeing online that yellow mustard is good, so I'm gonna use this too.
Remember all the things I did. Remember how I was in bed. Oh, baby. Remember how Remember just saying, oh yeah. Holy matrimony. It's just a testimony. Tell me how it is when I'm really with you. How you really is, boo. Oh.
No, yes.
This is seafood dressing. I'm gonna show y'all when it comes out of the oven. All right, y'all, had to do a little voiceover real quick. The greens are not ready yet, but they've been probably cooking for about 45 minutes right here. But why I forgot to show you guys a video of my ham, okay, and a full good video of the turkey. But anyways, you can see I was done with the ham, so I put chunks of it into the collard greens. Just hate that I didn't get to show you guys. Got that mac and cheese. The star of the show. This is the star of the show, baby. Oh, y'all hear him barking. He wants some mac and cheese.
It's just a laid-back vibe, baby. Straight up. It's just a laid-back vibe, baby. Straight up.
Y'all, we didn't eat it till around like 8:15. But anyway, y'all, I forgot to show you guys my ham, my turkey, and my plated greens. Anyway, I did that on another plate. But this is catfish, honey cornbread, seafood dressing, potatoes and gravy, mac and cheese, and salmon. So yeah, y'all. But it was a really good. Y'all, this is how my hair look after waking up from standing up and cooking all day. I took my nails off too. Not that they came off while I was cooking. They was actually pretty good, but because I want longer nails on. But I just woke up and I had my hair in a clamp, but everything failed. I did not put on my bonnet, but I had on like my wig band. Usually I cook with my bonnet on. The food was so good. My baby girl made the turkey. I think next year or the year after that, I might invest in those little warmers or like the more heavy duty pan and just keep it set on the table, because we ended up having to warm up the turkey for too long because my refrigerator is very cold because it's like pretty much a new refrigerator. My cobbler wasn't really a success with that little because of the size pan. And the mac and cheese, my baby girl did good. It was so good and cheesy. And then she did the broil on top, just a little bit. I don't think she wanted it too like hard crusted. And then I did a seafood dressing. Now the kids don't like dressing. They don't like stuff in the dressing, so that's okay. Good, okay? But I was eating as I was cooking, so I was full. And I was drinking my Riesling and pretty much was full by the time it was time to eat. But anyway, it was all pretty much a success. I think next year I may not be doing Thanksgiving. Also, you guys, I am filming this on my Snapchat. So if you see the little filtery look, yeah. Anyway, I'm about to edit very fast my shopping haul vlog. And then I'm going to start working on editing this video. Oh, and I did deviled eggs. Y'all saw that. No, they angel eggs. We was laughing at the angel egg thing. But yeah. I did the jalapeno popper ones. They love them ones the most. When I was peeling my eggs were falling apart. Okay. Y'all know what time it is. Leftovers.
Yourself.